We'll guide you through how to wrap text on Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for tutorials like this because they want to create more visually appealing and professional designs in Canva. Wrapping or curving text helps make content stand out, especially for presentations, social media posts, and videos. First, open Windows on your computer and ensure it is ready to use without interruptions. Next, open Canva from your Windows menu by locating the application and clicking on it to launch it. Once Canva is open, select the Create button to start a new design project. After that, choose the design that fits your needs and preferences. For this tutorial, I am using a presentation as an example, so the steps are easier to follow. Then select a presentation layout to give you a wider working area. Continue by selecting a presentation from the available options. Once your canvas is ready, now, go to the Apps section located in the Canva interface to explore additional features. In the search bar, search for Typewarp to find the specific tool needed for wrapping text. Once you see it, click Typewarp to open its settings. As an example, type "How to wrap text on Canva" into the input field provided. After entering your text, change the font to your liking so it matches your design style. Then, choose a color that makes your text stand out or blend well with the background. Next, select the shape that you want the text to follow. After choosing a shape, adjust the curve settings to control how the text bends or wraps along the selected shape. Take your time to fine-tune these settings until the result looks balanced and visually appealing. Finally, click Update Element to display the results directly on your page. Your wrapped text will now appear according to the settings you applied, completing the process successfully. At this stage, review your design to ensure the text alignment and spacing look correct and readable. If needed, repeat the previous steps to adjust the font, color, or curve until you achieve the desired appearance. You can also experiment with different shapes to see how each one changes the overall style of your text.